into a savage.
What is going on, everybody? My name is Mikey Winterfly, and today I'm going to be interviewing some fidget spinners. Basically, it's like the new trend that everyone has at Bab School. So, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. So, let's get on to the video.
Yeah, go on, carry on. I'm the cameraman, by the way. ChewieGaming here. Subscribe to my, subscribe to my YouTube channel, yeah.
So, camera, can you please stop? I'm trying to move on to the next stage of the video. Please.
Yeah, you go here. Yeah.
No.
Just take all the fidget spinner already.
No. Cameraman, can you stop recording? And I move it on to the next stage after. Can we just do it?
Okay.
Welcome back, everybody. I just started from straight on. If you're wondering that you've seen this fidget spinner in another video and the studio in another video.
Mikey, it's not recording. There's no red flashing symbol.
Really?
Is it recording?
Really, Chewie?
Let me have a look. Oh no, it's fine.
So, if you're wondering that you've seen the studio and the fidget spinner before, just remember that I'm borrowing the studio. I borrow studios of people.
Oh, I'm picking my nose. Sorry, I forgot we're filming.
And I borrowed this fidget spinner because I'm poor and I don't have enough money to buy one myself. You can see it's already slowing down. That's how bad this piece of junk is.
Oh, Mikey. Spin it. There you go. Spin it.
So, yeah. You can see it straight in. And Chewie, you're blocking the fidget spinner a bit.
Oh, come on, guys. Follow me.
Chewie, stop just working away with the camera.
We don't want anything to do with Mikey and his fidget spinner. No.
Chewie, stop working away with the camera. It's my video, my channel,
oh, yeah.
my stuff.
Just zoom out.
I'm sneaky.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more epic videos. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in a future video. Goodbye, buddies. And peace out from me.
Funny. Are you still recording? Are you still recording? Chewie! Still recording? So good. Bye. I'm gonna just go out.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn this off.
Turn it off already. Please just turn it off.
Fine. Guys, thanks for watching. Should we go?